today I'm going to be talking about this project that I built. It's an inventory management platform. It uses this is how I built it. I vibe coded it entirely, and from the first prompt it was already working. If I can scroll back, if you see this prompt here, this is JSON that I copied and pasted it here. It includes different products that I wanted it to include in the managing, like the products that I wanted to include in the system. So let me go up to the front. Yeah, here. So this was my first prompt. It was simple, a simple chart telling it how it would implement it. I wanted to see how it does its thing. Then this is the first chart I told it. With a comprehensive inventory tracking platform, it built it from this single prompt. I didn't mention anything to do with the tech stack to use, anything, but from that single prompt, the product was up and running. So this is the product. Let me show you how the product works. This is the dashboard. This is the main page. It shows the available products, and if you uncheck this, you can see the rest of the products. So this shows only the available products. So we have the stock, all the products listed without the image preview. We have the movements, which products have been removed out of stock. We have creating your own category, suppliers, adding a product, single product, or bulky product using JSON or SVG, CSV. So here I'll show you how if I get more stock of this one, I can adjust. I can say in stock. If it's out of stock, I can say out of stock, then enter the number of quality. Let's say I've sold that one, I can say out of stock, then put that number, then adjust. So this one would turn to 0. So if I check, it would have disappeared. So this is how the inventory platform works. And to add all these products, because these are a lot of data, like over 150, like 190 products, individual products, so I didn't do that individually. I just used KIRO again. So there is this other chart, this one, it's web scraping. I scraped the different online store that I wanted to include their products in my inventory system. I scraped it. I told it to ignore the repeating products. It did its thing here in this inventory. It returned these JSON files. So these are the files I was copying and taking to the chat here and telling it include all these files. I didn't even specify that month. I would just paste it and say include these, and it does its thing. So the thing was up and running. And yeah, I'm going to still work on this project. I'm going to add an authentication system and then continue building it. Yeah, that's it.